Welcome back to Top 10 Den, where we bring you fascinating insights into a variety of topics. In today's video, we commemorate Memorial Day, a day of remembrance and honor for those who have made the ultimate sacrifice in service to their country. So, let's dive into 10 facts about Memorial Day. 1. Memorial Day holds a significant place in the hearts of Americans as a day of remembrance and honor. It provides an opportunity for the nation to collectively pay tribute to the brave individuals who made the ultimate sacrifice in service to their country. On this day, people gather to reflect upon the valor and selflessness of those who lost their lives defending freedom and protecting the ideals cherished by the United States. 2. Memorial Day has its roots in the aftermath of the American Civil War, one of the most consequential conflicts in the nation's history. The holiday emerged as a way to pay homage to the Union soldiers who laid down their lives during the war. It was an opportunity for communities to come together, decorate the graves of fallen soldiers with flowers, and express their gratitude for the sacrifices made in the pursuit of freedom. As time went on, the holiday expanded to honor all men and women who died while serving in the U.S. military. 3. The town of Waterloo, New York, holds a special place in the history of Memorial Day. In 1866, shortly after the end of the Civil War, the community organized the first formal observance of what would later become Memorial Day. Residents of Waterloo, deeply affected by the war and the loss of their own soldiers, gathered to commemorate and decorate the graves of fallen soldiers. This grassroots initiative marked the beginning of a tradition that would eventually spread throughout the nation. 4. In 1971, Memorial Day was officially designated as a federal holiday, providing a national framework for the observance of this important day. It was a way to ensure that the sacrifices made by service members would be honored and remembered by all Americans. Additionally, the National Moment of Remembrance was established to foster a sense of unity and remembrance. At 3 p.m. local time on Memorial Day, people are encouraged to pause for a minute of silence, reflecting on the courage and dedication of those who gave their lives in service to the country. 5. One of the enduring traditions of Memorial Day is the act of flying the U.S. flag. In the morning, the flag is raised to half-staff as a solemn gesture of mourning and remembrance for the fallen. This poignant symbol acknowledges the immense sacrifices made by service members. At noon, the flag is raised to full staff, representing the resilience and strength of the nation that endures even in the face of loss. It serves as a reminder that while the country mourns, it also carries on, upholding the values for which these brave men and women fought. 6. As Memorial Day falls on a Monday, it creates a 3-day weekend that is eagerly anticipated by many. This extended break is often viewed as the unofficial kickoff to the summer season, signaling the arrival of warmer weather and a time for relaxation and recreation. Families and friends come together to embark on vacations, plan barbecues and picnics, or simply enjoy outdoor activities such as hiking, swimming, and beach outings. While enjoying the holiday weekend, it is important to remember the true significance of Memorial Day and to honor the memory of those who made the ultimate sacrifice. 7. Arlington National Cemetery, located in Virginia just across the Potomac River from Washington, D.C., plays a profound role in the commemoration of Memorial Day. This sacred burial ground, established during the Civil War, serves as the final resting place for thousands of service members who made the ultimate sacrifice in service to their country. On Memorial Day, the cemetery becomes a focal point for solemn ceremonies and tributes, with people gathering to pay their respects and honor the fallen. The rows of white gravestones stretching across the landscape serve as a powerful reminder of the price of freedom and the dedication of those who served. 8. The red poppy has become an enduring symbol of remembrance for those who have fallen in war. This association stems from the poignant poem In Flanders Fields, written by Lieutenant Colonel John McCrae during World War I. The poem describes the poppies that grew amid the graves of soldiers in Flanders, a region in Belgium deeply scarred by war. Inspired by the poem's powerful imagery, the wearing of red poppies as a symbol of remembrance gained popularity. On Memorial Day, people often wear or display red poppies as a heartfelt tribute to the brave men and women who sacrificed their lives for the nation's freedom. 9. Memorial Day parades hold a special place in communities throughout the United States. These vibrant processions bring together people from all walks of life to honor and remember those who made the ultimate sacrifice in service to their country. Parades often feature military displays, with current and veteran service members proudly marching in uniform. Local marching bands fill the air with patriotic melodies, and community organizations join the procession to show their support. These parades serve as a visible reminder of the gratitude and respect that the nation holds for its fallen heroes, fostering a sense of unity and shared purpose. 10. Beyond the picnics and festivities, Memorial Day carries a profound significance of reflection, gratitude, and service. It is a day to pause and reflect upon the sacrifices made by service members, acknowledging their bravery and selflessness. Many individuals and organizations choose to actively participate in acts of service as a means of honoring the fallen. Volunteers engage in activities such as placing American flags on grave sites in cemeteries in tribute. This solemn gesture symbolizes the nation's deep appreciation and remembrance for their service. Additionally, various charitable organizations and community groups rally together to support veterans' causes, providing assistance and resources to those who have served. This can include fundraising events, care package drives, or offering support services to veterans and their families. By actively engaging in these acts of service, individuals and communities demonstrate their commitment to honoring the sacrifice of those who served and ensuring that their memory lives on. And there you have it, 10 facts about Memorial Day. We hope this video deepened your understanding of this important day of remembrance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more engaging content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.